welcome to the video. In this video, I will talk about two topics, and these topics are randomly created by the ChatGPT based on some themes, and I will talk as much as I can in a more fluent way. And the topic one is how technology has changed the way we learn. How technology has changed the way we learn. So, according to me, one of the most or one of the greatest advancements in the technology is internet. By achieving the facility of internet, endorsed the humans have endorsed the fundamental peak of education and communication. Before internet, they were books, they were teachers, but if they let's say I was in some village and there is no good teacher and there is no library, then how I can access the good books, how can I access the great books, how I can access the great lessons from great teachers. But after the internet is introduced to us, the education becomes way simpler. Almost all the education is free of cost and free of cost available on YouTube. You can you can learn anything from basic nursery school to the engineering or PhD level things on the YouTube. So according to me, the education is being rationalized, and now in the current environment, now in the current situation or in the current times, everyone can learn whatever they want, whatever the skill they want, whatever necessary information, whatever knowledge they want. All of these learnings are available in the YouTube and on the internet. And so there are some tools I use regularly for my enhancement, for my knowledge enhancement, or for my skill enhancement. One is YouTube, second one is ChatGPT, and third is Google search. So, and some also there are Coursera and some other different type of documentations. So YouTube is one of the most precious tool available on the earth. According to me, YouTube has created, or YouTube has all of the words knowledge in the video forms, so that everyone can understand in different languages. It has different type of it has content in different languages, so literally go through the you can literally go to the YouTube and watch all the videos and lessons, and you can learn so much from it. And there are also new type of content available, which is podcasts. Podcasts are very great form of content, and you can learn so much from others who have already achieved great in their life, who already succeeded in their life, who already built so much in their life, who already earn so much money, who already earn so much respect in their life. So, according to me, uh, by watching podcasts and taking notes is one of the best way to learn many things and to upskill yourself, to upgrade yourself. So, this is one of the self-improvement things of self-improvement habit I am currently doing right now. So, yeah, podcasts are too useful. YouTube playlists are also useful for your skill learning and unlearning. And ChatGPT and online courses. ChatGPT is like I will tell like ChatGPT is like prince of the city. The king is obviously YouTube, but the prince is it doesn't provide video content for so much length over the matter, but it has enormous data, enormous enormous amount of knowledge, enormous amount of information. So you can literally, but you should know how to create a good prompt, how to ask a good question. If you master the skill of asking the good question, good and specific question, then like you are the master of the current word, because current word is just about you're writing your question in a very specific way so that the ChatGPT or the GPTs can answer you in a specific way, and you can apply this problem in a very interactive way to your problems, and and they also literally give a good solution to these problems. So you need to be very specific about problems. So yeah, ChatGPT is just about specificity. If you give a specific prompt to it, it will give you a very specific answer. Don't be generic with the ChatGPT. So yeah, ChatGPT is just a great tool to learn anything you want. So you can literally learn English, you can literally learn or become fluent in English. You can learn any coding languages, you can learn any financial skills, you can learn any psychological skills, you can learn any of what type of skills? I don't know, historical, geographical, sociological, political skills. Means if you wanted to learn any type of different skills, ChatGPT can provide you. And it can also become your mentor. So you can use ChatGPT as I use ChatGPT as much as possible, and I give it a very specific prompts. And it also give you some exercises so that you can practice along your learnings. So it will also create a, well, you just need to be consistent enough, and you need to regularly do your mundane work. If you are not consistent, then ChatGPT is not going to work it. So you need to be consistent enough so that your skills and your skills are being cherished. So you need to be, so much, according to me, one of the most important skills in the human life is consistency. If a human is, doesn't born with a talent, but if he is consistent enough and practice regularly, then he can become master of that skill. So always be consistent. Yeah, thanks. Okay, let's go with second topic is my experience of handling failure. So क्या लग गया मेरे को